Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's go. The 10 Sen Malaysia Coin 2001 is part of the Malaysian ringgit currency system and represents 10 sen, which is 1/10 of 1 ringgit, 0.10. This coin was issued by Bank Negara Malaysia, the central bank, as part of the second series of Malaysian coins that were first introduced in 1989 and remained in circulation until 2011. The coin is made primarily from copper nickel, giving it a silver-gray metallic appearance. It weighs about 2.83 grams, has a diameter of 19 millimeters, and features a reeded milled edge for easy tactile recognition. The obverse front of the coin displays the hibiscus flower, which is Malaysia's national flower, symbolizing beauty, courage, and unity. Above the flower is the denomination, 10 sen, and below it is the year of minting, 2001, while the words, Bank Negara Malaysia, were inscribed around the upper edge in capital letters, representing the issuing authority. On the reverse back side of the coin, there is a traditional Malaysian design motif, reflecting the country's rich cultural heritage and artistic traditions. This design was introduced to promote Malaysian identity through its coinage. The coin's metallic composition makes it durable and resistant to corrosion, which allowed it to stay in active circulation for many years. The 2001 issue of the 10 sen coin is common in Malaysia's currency system, and millions of pieces were minted for daily use. However, collectors often value coins in uncirculated or proof condition, where the surface retains its original shine and details. Although the 2001 10 sen coin does not have significant rarity, it holds historical importance as part of Malaysia's evolving coinage before the third series of coins was introduced in 2012, which featured new designs and smaller sizes. In everyday use, the 10 sen coin was widely used for small transactions such as vending machines, public telephones, parking meters, and daily shopping. The design and material represent Malaysia's economic stability and cultural pride during the early 2000s. For numismatists, coin collectors, the 2001 10 sen coin reflects an interesting period of Malaysia's minting history under the stewardship of Bank Negara Malaysia. Even though its face value remains small, the coin captures an era of transition in Malaysian coinage, linking the traditional designs of the 1990s with the modern minimalist designs of the 2010s. Thus, the 10 Sen Malaysia Coin 2001 is a small yet meaningful piece of Malaysian heritage, a reminder of the nation's culture, progress, and the everyday lives of its people.